In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to maximize your earnings with Brave Rewards. Get ready to enjoy a seamless, rewarding browsing experience using the Brave browser, where you can earn basic attention tokens, or BAT, simply by engaging with built-in features. Let's begin by opening your Brave browser. If you're not familiar with this browser, it's a privacy-focused alternative to more mainstream options. With its own unique twist, it's designed to reward you for your attention. Once you have Brave open, direct your gaze to the top right corner of the address bar. You should notice a triangle icon representing BAT, which is the backbone of Brave Rewards. Go ahead and click on this triangle. This action reveals a menu where you'll select Brave Rewards. This is your portal to the world of earning BAT while you browse. Next, we'll ensure you're all set to benefit from very visual and frequent rewards through sponsored images. To do this, open a new tab in your Brave browser. Perhaps unsurprisingly, sponsored images will be the main feature here. In the bottom right corner of your new tab, you'll see an icon of a paintbrush, which is conveniently labeled Customize. Click this icon to access your personalization options. Within this menu, navigate to the Background section. Here, you'll find the option to toggle sponsored images. Make sure to switch this setting to On. Each sponsored wallpaper you encounter as you browse contributes to your BAT earnings, so this step is an easy way to maximize those rewards. To fully capitalize on this feature, it's a great idea to develop the habit of opening new tabs frequently. Each new tab brings the potential for a new sponsored image, which, as you now know, translates into real rewards. Additionally, keeping Brave running helps you to receive ad notifications. These notifications are unobtrusive and another simple way to earn BAT as you go about your online activities. Now, let's talk about claiming those hard-earned rewards. Brave makes it easy by providing a monthly claim period. At the end of each month, you'll receive a notification to claim your accumulated BAT. Make sure you don't miss this step to ensure all your efforts are rewarded. This process is straightforward and brief, ensuring you spend more time enjoying your browsing experience and less time managing the reward system. By following these steps, you're setting yourself up not just for a smooth browsing experience, but one that's beneficial to your online habits. Your attention is valuable, and Brave acknowledges that with each tab and ad notification. So dive into this world of privacy and rewards with confidence, knowing every click and new tab is contributing to your BAT earnings. Enjoy both the journey and the rewards you earn along the way.